How to fix Instagram not loading pictures on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram not loading pictures on Android or iOS phone. First open settings and then scroll all the way down until you find here apps, then click apps again, and now once you're here type Instagram, click on it. Now click storage, clear cache. Now click force stop and go to pictures, give it all of go to permissions and give it all of those permissions here. And if you have an iPhone, just go to settings, general, and then iPhone storage, and select search for Instagram and click on it and click offload. And if that doesn't fix your problem, now it means that you need to clean some space, so just go to your gallery, delete some photos and videos, and I hope that can fix your problem, and see you in the next video.